Buying an Apple gift card. Apple gift cards can be used to purchase apps, games, music, movies, and even Apple products from the Apple Store, iTunes, and App Store. They are available in digital and physical formats, making them a great gift option or a convenient way to add credit to an Apple account. 1. Where to buy an Apple gift card. Apple gift cards can be purchased from Apple's official website, digital and physical gift cards available. Retail stores, many supermarkets, tech stores, and online retailers sell Apple gift cards. Online marketplaces, digital codes for instant delivery. Mobile payment apps, some banking apps, and online payment services offer Apple gift cards. Second types of Apple gift cards. Apple gift card can be used for App Store, iTunes, and Apple hardware purchases. iTunes gift card specifically for digital content like music, apps, and movies. Apple Store gift card can be used to buy Apple devices, accessories, and subscriptions. 3. How to redeem an Apple gift card. Go to the App Store or iTunes. Click on your account profile and select Redeem Gift Card or Code. Enter the 16-digit code found on the gift card. The balance will be added to your Apple ID and can be used for future purchases. 4. Things to consider before buying. Region restrictions. Apple gift cards are region-specific, so ensure you buy one that matches your Apple ID country. No expiry date. Apple gift cards do not expire, allowing flexible use. Non-refundable. Once redeemed, gift cards cannot be exchanged for cash or refunded. Scam protection. Only buy from trusted retailers to avoid fake or stolen gift cards. 5. Best uses for an Apple gift card. Buying apps, games, and subscriptions on the App Store. Purchasing music, movies, or books on iTunes. Paying for Apple services like iCloud Storage or Apple Music. Gifting to friends and family who use Apple devices. 6. Are Apple gift cards worth buying? Yes, if you regularly purchase Apple products or digital content. Yes, if you want a secure cashless way to buy from Apple. No, if you need cash flexibility, as Apple gift cards cannot be converted to money. Apple gift cards are a convenient and flexible way to shop within Apple's ecosystem. Whether for personal use or as a gift, they offer a secure way to add credit to your Apple account.